Hey lovelies, so this is how to mine cats or farm cats or do tax in cats. So I've had a lot of you asking, how do you mine cats, or saying that you don't know how to farm cats. So this video I'm going to show you how I farm or mine cats every day. So one thing you should note is you have to invite friends. That's one of the criteria. So those of you saying you are ineligible for airdrops that you're getting into yesterday, this is what it means. It means you're not doing the tax, you've not invited any friends. So let's do this from the beginning. Make sure you invite friends, at least have 5 friends. Then after doing that, you see, if I scroll up on my device, you will see tax here. Make sure you have done all this tax. Make sure you've done all this tax. Then you click on this option that is saying show more tax. So you click on it, and then once you click on it, you see other tax. So make sure you do all these tax too. This is how you boost your cats. This is how you boost your cats. Then you also change avatar every day. What this simply means is you change the profile DP every day for cats. So you come to this avatar, you click on that avatar, and once you've clicked on the avatar, it brings you here. So yes, I know you don't have any image of cats, you're not raising cats, and if you're raising cats, good and fine. But if you're not raising cats, just go to your Google and search for cat images, beautiful cat images, and save them and download them and save them on your device. Then once you click on avatar, you come here, then you will now click on this upgrade cat. See, you click on this upgrade cat, and once it brings you here, you scroll up to see, you will see this place that it says tap to upload cat. Tap to upload cat. You click on it, and then to take you to your device, and where you saved the cat images you've downloaded, it's going to pop up. Now see, this place here is showing under my download, and this is the one I just saved this morning. I'm just going to click on this is just from Google, and then you allow the AI to do its work. You see, it shows AI cooking, and it will grade you. See, it says your current reward, it's insane, your current reward is plus 570 cats, plus 570 cats. And then to show you the criteria they use in grading you, you can see here. So if you even want to earn more, you can actually do that with OG Pass, this OG Pass here. But I've not done that, so they have rewarded me. I'll just click on go back to the avatar. So I will not come back again this time, same time tomorrow, 23 hours from now. That is the next day. You see, wait for 23 hours before I can repeat the same process. Do you guys understand? So that is one way of mining cats properly. Now another thing I want to show you is that recently, just not few minutes ago, cats has added another update, another tax update. Now you can now watch videos on cats, write the code just like we do for some other airdrop projects, and then you will get 200 cats. So take advantage of this. Now how do you get this code? If you are still watching or not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, do yourself a favor, and turn on the notification bell. That is for your own good. Then when you subscribe, you're doing me a favor by joining my YouTube community or family. But when you turn on the notification bell, do yourself a favor so that you don't miss out on any airdrop update I share, especially crypto basics for beginners. Then also join my Telegram channel. The link is now attached to the description boxes and to the comment section of my videos. Make sure you join that channel because I drop airdrop updates, airdrop tax solution, and that is where I will respond to your question on a personal basis. Like you have any question, you get the answers to them. So make sure you do all this. So like this one, this join bits. If you've not joined bits, if you've not started farming bits, join my Telegram channel and you get a link on how to start farming bits. So I'll click on check because I think I joined yesterday. And once you click on check, you see it's a tax not yet completed. You show tax not yet completed. So I'll click on join. This is just how to do all this tax. Just click on join. It will now take you to the bit interface like this, and I'll click on join bits. I'm already on bits, so I'll click on join bits, and I'll come back to cats. And once I come back to cats, I'm going to click on check and just wait. It will load up the tax to complete the tax for you once it has confirmed on the platform that you have joined. So that's the same way I'm going to do for other tax. You just do them, and anywhere you see something like this, just reload the mini app. Whenever you see like not connecting, just reload the mini app and it will correct itself. So always make sure you do this tax pending when you're going to get to the listing date. Pending when you get to the listing date. So that's all for me for now. Stay tuned always to my YouTube channel for most recent updates on crypto trading and airdrop solution. Bye for now.